Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to see you here again. So, what I'm doing right now is called comprehensible input. And what does that mean again? Well, comprehensible input is when someone speaks slowly and clearly so that you can actually understand. If you are new here, I'm Ollie, a Chinese guy learning English with you and sharing interesting things happening here in China. Today is the Mid-Autumn Festival, one of the most important and traditional holidays here in China. Hi, my friend. Use fewer than 100 words to help me write an introduction about the Mid-Autumn Festival.
The Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the most important traditional festivals in China. It's celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, when the moon is full and bright. Families gather together to enjoy mooncakes, appreciate the moon, and express love for each other. The round moon symbolizes reunion, harmony, and happiness.
It's all about family, reunion, and of course, enjoying food under the full moon. People say, people say the moon tonight is the brightest and roundest of the whole year. That's what makes it such a special night. But here is the thing. I'm not here to give you a history or festival lesson. As you might know, I live in Hangzhou, a beautiful city in the eastern China. My hometown, though, is in the middle of the country in Hubei province. It's about 4 hours away by high-speed train or around 7 hours if you drive. This year, I don't plan to go back home, so sadly, I won't be spending the holiday with my parents or having the big family dinner. So, for today's video, I decided to do something a little different. I want to show you what the Mid-Autumn Festival looks like when you are not at home, when you are celebrating it in the city, maybe on your own. How can you still make it fun, meaningful, and full of that festival feeling? Let's find it out together. And of course, we will learn plenty of real-life English along the way. Let's go. So, right now, I'm standing at the entrance of a creative area called Dongchao Art Park. Yeah, look at the map back here, see is the entrance. It's not far away from where I live, maybe about 3 to 4 kilometers away. I've been here several times. It's such a lovely place. There are small stalls selling handmade art pieces and coffee shops, some sports stores, and even a nice riverside view. Today, I came here because I saw online that they are holding some Mid-Autumn Festival activities. So, let's walk around and see what's going on. Look, there are glowing moon lanterns everywhere, and with all these decorations, you can feel the festival vibe right away. And yeah, it's pretty busy. Couples, families, friends, just walking around, chatting, taking photos. You can literally feel that holiday mood in the air. Now, I'm walking through this little market area. Lots of handmade stuff like jewelries, bags, snacks, and all the decorations. I love this kind of place. Small stalls, creative, and full of energy. Oh, by the way, handmade means made by hand, by your hand, not by machine. That's why every piece looks a little different, and That's exactly what makes it special. Even if I don't buy anything, I still enjoy just walking around. It's not really about shopping, it's more about soaking up the atmosphere, right? And right here, check out this graffiti wall. It's full of bright colors and cute patterns. A graffiti wall means street art painted with spray paint. People are lining up to take photos, and yeah, it's super cool. And over here, there is an outdoor movie playing. People are sitting on the grass, sharing snacks, and just chilling under the moonlight. It feels peaceful and romantic, right? Moments like this remind me that festivals aren't just about reunion. Sometimes they're about slowing down and enjoying the little things.
编个童话很简单，可是要守护一个童话，靠的不是谎言。
And this, look behind me, the giant wall of teddy bear. Is actually one of the most popular photo spots here. Everyone stops for a selfie. It's kind of random, but somehow it fits. It's cute, fun, and makes people smile. You'd totally do the same if you were here, right? And wow, look at this! A small outdoor concert. 4 girls dressed in beautiful traditional Chinese clothing are performing classic music. The sound is so calm and elegant. It really matches the mid-autumn vibe, right? Standing here, listening under the moonlight, it almost feels like time has slowed down. Honestly, that's what I love about nights like this. You don't have to be at home with family to feel the festival. The lights, the music, the smell of food in the air, it all makes you feel connected in your own way. And you know, there is a saying in English that fits perfectly here. Home is where the heart is. It means whenever you feel warmth, peace, and happiness, that's home. And tonight, right here, I think I found a little piece of that. Before we finish today's video, let's take a moment to enjoy the moon. In Chinese culture, a full and round moon is a symbol of reunion, completeness, and family. That's why we celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival to remind ourselves of the people we love, even if they are far away. By the way, there is an English idiom, once in a blue moon. It means something that happens very rarely. But tonight, it's not a blue moon. It's just a beautiful, bright one. So, I'm very curious. What does a full moon mean in your country or culture? Does it have a special story or meaning behind it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to hear from you. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share it with your friends. As always, thanks for spending this moment with me. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival, everyone! See you in my next video. I'm Ollie. Bye bye.